Hey everyone, Razor here. I just thought I'd shoot a little video. Let me back up here a little bit with my camera. Get a little better view right there. This is my haul from the bash. So let me go ahead and share everything with you guys. And I know it's been a while since I've shot a video, but with the encouragement of everyone that I was talking with at this event, I guess I'll probably start trying to get back into it and learn how to do my editing and make some videos that are actually worth watching. So hopefully this will be the first of many to come. Anyway, as you can see, I got some, well, first off here, let me share that I'm sporting my buddy James' shirt. So he unfortunately wasn't at the bash this year, but as with a lot of them, Adam wasn't there, couldn't make it. John Saunders was there, couldn't make it. Who else? Our guys from up in Canada, Colin Chippett, he wasn't there this year. Of course, the guys from over in England, Phil, and I forget the other guy's name. Sorry, buddy. I'll remember it eventually, but anyway, you know, Adam wasn't there, like I said, and James Kilroy wasn't there. Keith Fenner wasn't there. Keith Rucker wasn't there this year. So it's just, you know, it's kind of not the same without all you guys being there, because you are the stars, let's just say, of our community. And I'm sure some of the people that did attend this year were looking forward to meeting you guys as much as I was when I met you. To you, it's probably not a big deal, but to us as a viewer, it kind of means a lot to meet that person that is sharing all this knowledge and information with us. So I got the opportunity to meet the new guy, Joe Pye. He was there with his son. I didn't get an opportunity to really sit down and talk with him at all. It was just kind of in passing, hey Joe, how's it going? That sort of thing. But you know, maybe he'll attend next year and I'll have a moment to sit down and pick his brain a little bit and you know, be smarter than I am now. So that being said, I did score a few things. I got these grinding wheels. These are cut-off discs, which there is a shitload of them in here. I don't know how many's in here. It doesn't really, quantity 25. So there's 25 of these guys in this little box right here. So that's pretty cool. These are the flat discs that, these are 40 grit. And all these things are made in Germany. You guys probably can't see that, but Osborne made in Germany. And here is the regular hard grinding wheel that I got. Actually, I got 2 boxes of these things because another viewer decided to donate his to the cause, and I wound up with them. So thank you to whoever that person was. So those are my grinding products. I was given these by my buddy Gary Cude. He was there this year, and thank you again, Gary. That was very kind of you to do that. And as it turned out, I actually won a set of these in the raffle, and I wound up giving mine to Herb Blair because, well, long story short. So anyway, I shared mine with Herb because Gary shared his with me, and that's just what we do. We just take care of each other. And there's nothing. It's an empty box. And this is very cool right here. We had Jeff, oh man, I forget his last name, from Northern, or not, no, from, oh Lord have mercy, All Industrial Tools. I got this from them. This is one of the items that I won in the raffle, and it's basically an index for drill bits, and it covers everything from 1/16 all the way up to 1/2 inch here. And I mean, this is a Hoyt cabinet, you know, so anybody that's familiar with Hoyt knows that, you know, this is good stuff. So I was really fortunate to win this. Really fortunate, and so very excited to win that. And this was at the swap meet. This was presented by Gary France. If anybody knows, I'm sorry, not Gary, but Brad. Brad. I'm thinking that's not his name either. Oh, he's gonna kill me. Greg. It was Greg France. Sorry, Greg. But this was at the swap meet. He was offering this up for sale, and we worked out a deal, and I wound up bringing this thing home. And I don't know how much of this you can see on camera, but it's not a full set, but I'm missing 4 little collets on the small end here. This thing is 1/8, and I'm sure it probably goes all the way up to maybe 3/4, I'm guessing, on this side. And then I'm only missing 1 over here on this side, according to the box, unless there's additional ones that go in these holes back here, because they all look to be about the same size, so maybe there's a whole row that sets in the back. But anyway, without pulling this thing out, I'll just bring the camera over and show you guys. Let's just do this. Bring you over here, give you a little closer view of this. So there's my small collets. It's got a micrometer adjustment thing right here. This is an end mill grinding fixture. So as you can see, those are some pretty good sized collets right there. I mean, I don't know how big this guy is. 1.25 inches. Says right there, 1.25 inches. So anyway, this probably goes up to 1.5 inches because there's a spot here that it's missing. But anyway, so to look inside here is the setup. Let me give you another shot this way. And this is I think might be mistaken, but this I think is an air bearing type setup, because it does have the mount to hook up an air system to it. And so that being said, if I can show the book, there is the little regulator right there in the picture that shows where the airline is to be connected. And so there it is right there, Model 200 sharpening fixture. So I'm really stoked to have gotten this thing. I'm probably gonna have to contact Weldon to get some more information and maybe order a few parts if they're still available for things that are missing. But anyway, very happy and very excited. As I was emptying my truck here, I happened to look up, and I'm not a big fan of stickers, especially on my vehicle. And what did I see? Was this. Right there on my window. But you know what? That is a very cool sticker. I'm leaving it there. I'm leaving it on there. So Stan, thank you very much, or whoever put that on there. I'm more than proud to represent you, buddy, any time of the day or week or month or whatever. So there it is. Barzee Industrial right there. So very cool. And for those of you that don't know, I did get myself a new 2018 F-150, and there it is. Never been a fan of a white vehicle, but this thing kind of grows on you after a while. Here, I'll shut my doors. Still bringing stuff in, but anyway, there's my new ride. I bought these rims for it, put those on there, took off the stock chrome ones. I'm not a big fan of chrome, although it's all over the front end, but it kind of looks good on here, so I'm leaving it alone. So anyway, there's my my new four-wheel drive Cadillac, and it's a great truck. I mean, I don't care what anybody says. This is a nice truck. Unless you get in it and drive one, you have no idea. So anyway, that being said, I'm gonna call it a day for this. And the sun finally came out here in Sonoma County, and it's beautiful out here. It's nice and warm. I visited a couple of buddies, one guy from our YouTube family. I stopped at his place. They're both down in Arizona. So I left the bash and went straight to Arizona and spent a couple of days down there, and I just got home last night. So anyway, I want to give a shout out to American Rotary, Chris Feeble. You know, he sponsors the event, and I'm sure it wouldn't be the same without him. So thank you for that. And to all the other contributors out there, you guys, hopefully you can make it next year. It's not the same without you guys there. So that being said, I'm going to quit rattling, and you guys enjoy your day, and hopefully I'll see a few more new faces at the bash. It was still quite successful. It was still a lot of fun. The effort that Stan puts into this event is just second to none, you guys. And so, you know, for everything that he does for us, I think it's the least that we can do to, you know, return the favor and to show up and thank him personally. I donated a gift that I won in the raffle. The sign bar, I don't know if anybody remembers the sign bar that was made by River, I think it was Rivers Tool Company or something like that. I forget, I have to look at their card. But anyway, I won it, and I wound up giving it to Stan because it meant a lot to him. It had the logo and so forth, the Summer Bash logo on it and everything, and so I gave it up. So anyway, that's pretty much it. So I'll talk to you guys later, and I will continue to try to put out some videos like this one. And this one's not going to require any editing because it is what it is, but I'll try to come through and make some good videos for you guys to watch in the future. Okay, so everyone be safe, take care of each other, and raise a ray. So and so long for now. Okay, thanks, bye.